Union Minister Amit Shah on January 28 directed Delhi Police to issue lookout circulars, also known as LOCs, against the farmer leaders who have been named in the FIRs in connection with the violence on Republic Day during the tractor parade. The process of surrender of passports of the farmer leaders has also been initiated following a directive given by Shah on Wednesday. The decision to issue lookout circulars against the farmer leaders was taken by Amit Shah on Thursday morning in a meeting to review the law and order situation in the national capital. The lookout circulars are used by immigration officials to prevent accused persons from leaving the country. Lookout notices is used in nabbing the wanted people or criminals at the international borders, international airports, maritime areas, and ports. Officials said that the process of revocation of passport is a major decision, explaining that all the people who have been named by the Delhi police in the FIRs will not be carrying Indian passports till the matter is pending. The process has been initiated by Union Ministry of Home Affairs under the Passport Act. Meanwhile, Amit Shah visited the hospitals where police officials are being treated for the injuries they received during the Republic Day tractor march. On January 27, the Delhi police named 37 farmer leaders in an FIR in connection with the violence that took place during a tractor rally by the farmers. Police have registered 22 FIRs so far in connection with the violence that left over 300 policemen injured. A total of 200 people have been detained. The national capital witnessed clashes between protesters and police during the tractor parade by farmers to press their demand of repealing the 3 new agricultural laws. According to the Delhi police, over 300 policemen received injury in violence that broke out at the ITO after protesting farmers deviated from their tractor march route and came inside the capital.